Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the stop or location to your favorites on the Bus London application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this nearby button and select from the categories, or not the categories, but select from the recommendations, or you can also use the map to search for a location that you are interested in, or you can also use the search bar at the top. And after that, select the location, tap on it and click on this more button on the right side next to it, and then you should click on the add to favorites button. As you can see, it has been marked with this star icon, so if you tap on the favorites button down below, you will be able to see the spot here. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.